Hello guys, and welcome back to another vlog. We're here at Seegrid to see what's so cool about manufacturing and why, well...
Next question. What's your opinion on manufacturing?
I hate it! It is disgusting! It is unsanitary!
Whoa, that's not how I thought you'd respond.
But it's true!
Well, I'll take you to a place where manufacturing is cool, and you're gonna regret everything you just said.
Where is it?
It's Seegrid in Coriopolis. They make vision-guided forklifts.
Fine.
Let's go!
Seegrid is working to change manufacturing from being outsourced, mostly because we're able to save our customers money by using our forklifts, and with that extra money that they have, they're able to keep people employed at their companies.
I think that the quality of jobs in manufacturing is becoming more interesting. As repetitive tasks get automated, then people move up to something that is more interesting and more about creative problem solving, which happens to be what people are far better at anyway.
We're also moving people that are driving those vehicles into what we call value-added work situations. So essentially we're taking them from just driving these vehicles into moving them to other tasks where they're adding actual value to the company besides just driving.
I believe Seegrid forklifts are safer than normal forklifts based on the technology that we have available. We use several different things such as safety sensors. We also don't run on battery or gas power like most normal forklifts do.
What's great about manufacturing is that you get to make things that solve a problem.
It's dynamic.
You get the freedom to do what you want.
We're adding value to a company that we're selling our products to.
Manufacturing is actually really cool. Thanks for watching. Please vote for a video in the description. I will see you later, and bye!